And are you guys able to see my screen? Great, great, great. Thank you guys. So I think, yeah. So hello everyone. This is Shubham once again from Fires team. Welcomes you all to our today's webinar on Introduction to Modern Algos Advisory Platform. So we hope you all are keeping yourself safe and healthy with that. With that, let's get started. Actually, so since our inception, we have constantly thrived towards introducing high quality and innovative products and services with the objective of unlocking the value to our customers. So, FIRES in association with Modern Algos Enterprises is organizing this webinar to discover the diverse possibilities of their one-stop advisory platform, catering to all the algo needs of investors and traders. So Modern Algo is a SEBI-registered investment advisory and fintech engages in developing various algorithmic models and methods which enables retails users to access all the required analysis and data points under one umbrella through an excellent team of professionals. So today we have with us Mr. Sanjay and team. Sanjay is a founder of Modern Algo and he's a MCOM, MS and CFA, CMP certified, having experience of 10 years plus in capital market and analysis industry. So well, let's hear them out. Sanjay and team, over to you.
Hi, Shubham. Thank you so much for that lovely introduction. Really appreciate it. And ladies and gentlemen, a big hello and a very warm welcome to all of you to the information seminar on modern algos. It's so wonderful to have all of you here, all of you lovely FIRES clients. And we're so happy that you joined us on this Friday evening to understand and explore how this platform works. My name is Josefa Kapadia, and I head the communication for Modern Algos Enterprises. As Shubham mentioned, I'm also joined today by none other than Mr. Sanjay Baid, the founder and brains behind the Modern Algos platform. Over 15 years ago, he began his journey as a trader and technical analyst with an inclination toward algo and system trading. Today, this inclination has enabled him to understand the various problems that investors, traders, and option strategists face. And basis these deep insights he gathered, he decided to build a platform that does not discriminate for even a beginner or advanced trader and works without bias that is driven by intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, all of this comes together on a single platform, believe it or not. And that platform is called Modern Algos. With that, I would love for all of you to join me in helping me welcome Mr. Sanjay Baid with a warm round of applause.
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Hi, good evening, Sanjay Baid.
I hope all are good, all are doing good.
Yes. Additionally, I'd also like to take this opportunity to extend sincere gratitude to FIRES and their team for allowing us to present to FIRES clients. We believe that this demonstrates your belief in the platform and gives us much needed impetus to enter into the market with effective collaborations and partnerships built on trust, just like this. With that, I would like to now introduce you all to the Modern Algos platform. Modern Algos is a one-stop advisory platform to make informed decisions for all your investment and trading needs in order to help maximize your returns. What this does is it removes the human cognitive side and replaces it with algorithms that lead to financial discipline, which results in consistent returns. And I'm guessing that's something that all of us want, right? The Modern Algos platform is driven by the philosophy that an investor can also be an option trader and vice versa. Modern Algos allows you to do all of this on one platform while also solving the problem of not knowing when to begin or where to begin your investment or trading journey. In order to address this, we've created specific products for investors, for traders, and as well as option strategists. Sounds exciting, right? So let's get started. This is how you get started with your growth journey. Trade, track, and grow with modern algos. All you have to do is head over to www.modernalgos.com. Here, you sign in with your broker credentials with just a click. Once you do that, you are directed to Modern Algos' products page. Here, you will see three categories: the investor, trader, and options categories. To begin with, let us take a look at the mutual fund baskets and the goal-based baskets that you see under the investor category of the product section on the Modern Algos platform. When you want to invest in mutual funds, you're offered two products. The first one is mutual fund baskets, and the second is goal-based baskets.
Let me just do the sign in, Uzefa. One
Sure.
second. So to sign in, you just need to click on the Fires logo and just enter your credentials. So once you do that, you are on the Modern Algos platform. And this is what Uzefa was just mentioning, that we have three categories for the retail community. So we have divided into investor, trader, and easy options. So as Uzefa was mentioning, like we have mutual fund baskets and goal-based baskets. So before I dive into that, I like to have a review about the equity baskets. So in the equity baskets, we have model portfolios and theme portfolios. So you can see that we have 6 model portfolios, and for an investor who wants to do a monthly investment, we have also created a equity SIP for him. And then we have 7 theme-based portfolios. So how are these portfolios are created? We do not have any investment in investor committee or investment department and a team of research knowledge who are sitting and deciding on what to select, what not to select. More, it is driven through the algorithmic layers and the quant layers. So everything is data driven. So whatever we do at Modern Algos, there is no human intervention. So just to showcase one of the product, I'll just go to MA dividend basket. So once you click on that, you have a page which will tell all about basket, like it is suitable for what kind of investors and what are the advantages. And you can see the performance over here. And then we are also given the portfolio performance ratios for a person to understand what is the risk of the portfolio and what is the variance of the portfolio. And then you have a CAGR mention on top of it and what is the minimum investment required for this particular basket. And this portfolio went live on 21st July 2020. So it's almost a year since this portfolio or this basket is live. So whatever you see here in this chart is actually the live performance of the basket. And we have also given the historical data for you. So you can go to the historical data and see how it's performing over a 2 period of time. And then once you read these details and you want to move ahead, you have to simply enter your amount. So the minimum investment amount will automatically populate, and then you can simply click on show MAU weightage. So these are the stocks which will go into these baskets. And one great thing about this model, yeah, sorry.
Sorry to interrupt you. Can you make a full screen? That will be really good. From browser options.
I have this as a full screen on my system.
No, from there. Just 3 dots, 3 vertical dots.
Okay.
Yeah. Or else you can press F1. Yeah, there is an option, right? Beside 100%. Yeah.
One second.
Hello, Sanjay.
Yeah, Shubham, 1 second. I'm just looking for the option.
Yeah, press F11, else go to,
F11.
yeah,
Okay.
or there is a snap window just beside the zoom option on the three vertical dots.
Yeah, I can see 3 vertical dots. 1 second. Can you open your Zoom window? Okay, this is my Zoom window.
No, on the browser I'm talking about.
On browser, on we have,
Yes.
yeah, vertical 3.
Yeah, there is a the square right there. Just click on that square. Yeah.
Got it. All
Okay.
right.
Perfect.
So sorry, guys. So shall I begin, or should I go back? All right, I'll start from here. So let me go back to the page. So here, once you read the information and the minimum investment amount will automatically populate, then you can click on show weightage stock wise. Here you will get the list of stocks. So one good thing about our basket is that whatever we do here, it is actually reviewed on day-to-day basis. It's not that it is once the portfolio is decided, it will be reviewed after a certain time. So what we do here, end of the day, once we get the Bhav copy, all the review will happen. So it's not that the portfolio is going to be consistent over a period of time. So if anything goes wrong or any price changes or huge movement in a particular stock on the negative side, the system will read it out, and then that stock may be out of the portfolio, and the client will be alerted for the same update about the basket. So here you have the stock list, you have the location percentage, and the information can be viewed by the user easily. And for the information purpose, we also have the stock holding and sector weightage. And then we have also designed a peer comparison. So let's say here we have LTTS in the engineering and LTI in the IT side. So you can go and check whether in IT, the company what you have selected is performing better or not, and whether how your company, which is a part of basket, how it is performing within the sector. So you can check. For the chemicals, you have Alkemine, and it's part of the portfolio. For automobile, we have Bajaj Auto, so it's also one of the best performance. So this will give an idea that the selection what we have in the portfolio, how they're performing within the sector, and will help you to take the decisions. And then we have, this is our proprietary graph where we try to simulate, excuse me, the speed and the relativeness of a particular stock to a benchmark. Let's say if Infosys is going up by 50 rupees and the benchmark is going, let's say, by 100 rupees. So what is the relative difference between the Infosys and the benchmark, whether Infosys is performing relatively well in terms of the price movement. At the same time, we also see whether the speed is matched with the benchmark or the speed should be more than the benchmark. Am I audible to guys? Because I'm seeing few of the guys saying.
Yes, yes, you are audible, Sanjay.
Okay. So here in this chart, we are trying to showcase that the baskets, what we have selected is within the leading quadrant, and most of our baskets will be in the leading quadrant, at least 80%, so that we'll be able to generate alpha to the benchmark. And this is for the information purpose for the client. So now, once you are done with the reviewing the portfolio, we have two options for you. Either you can save the basket or you can execute the basket directly from here. So I'll hit the save basket button. So once you hit the save basket, then it will take you to our equity dashboard where you have 4 different options. 1 second. How do I mean? Okay, right. All right. I got it. So here you have 4 different options. One is for Modern Algo's live baskets. One is for the save basket where you can save and track for a period of time before you want to execute in the market. So this will do a tracking for you on the live basis. And then once you execute the portfolio, for executing, you need to simply hit the execute button at the bottom of the page. So once you hit the execute trade button, the client ID of files will populate, and then you just have to confirm. and your orders will be pushed to Fire's terminal. And once it is executed, you can have live tracking in your MA live baskets. So if you see here, this portfolio was created on 31st May in Fire's at 1 o'clock 41 seconds. And this is a live performance what we have. And it is created on value basket, one of the baskets of Modern Argus. So you can see the live performance, you can see stock wise performance here, and then you can also see, excuse me, the performance in comparison to the benchmark at the bottom of the page. And then once your portfolio is done, you want to protect your portfolio. For protection, we have three different options. So basically, you can simply save any one of them. And once you save, let's say liquidate negative 15%. So if the total portfolio value goes down by 15%, the system will alert you. You can come to Modern Algos platform and can liquidate your portfolio. These are just to safeguard your investment so that you don't need to go back and check with the holding value at the broking platform, and then you need to take a decision. So everything will be readily available on a single page for use. And let's say if you click on hedge against option, so once you do that, you will get a detailed mail from us. And then if you require any discussion on that, we'll arrange a call with you so that we'll guide you how you can hedge your portfolio with options. So for hedging against option, the portfolio has to be a minimum size, let's say around 20 to 25 lakhs, because for the lesser amount, it would be difficult to hedge against options. So this we have for the protection. And for the rebalancing, we have three different options: 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. So let's say if you say 3 months and save here, then the rebalancing term would be updated for your basket. So on 28th of August, you will get a mail with the detail what you need to do. And on 29th of August, the rebalancing button will be enabled here. And upon clicking on that, your portfolio will be rebalanced. And let's say you've created a portfolio today, and after a week or after 10 days, you have 5% returns and you want to execute your portfolio, you want to book profit. So simply hit the book profit button. Once you hit the book profit button, you'll have sell orders with you, confirm, and you'll go to the your broking platform and your portfolio will be executed. So there is no lock-in. You are free to do what you want to do. You can analyze everything on a single page. And let's say you have created few portfolios or few baskets at Modern Algos, but you also have some holding with your existing broker. For that, you can simply go to My Portfolio. You can add or you can upload your existing portfolio, and you can have tracking at single page. You don't need to go to for your existing holder. You don't need to toggle between different screens. So everything you can track at one screen. So this is about the equity basket and equity dashboard, where you can have you can get the informed decision. You can see all the performance. You can execute. Once you execute, you can do live tracking. And after live tracking, if you want to book profit, same is enabled from the equity dashboard. So let's coming back. I'll jump to mutual fund and goal-based baskets. So they are pretty much simple. We have designed various objective-driven mutual fund basket. So you can just specify your object. Let's say if you want to do mutual fund investment for tax planning. So simply click on the tax planning. We will suggest what are the different options based on the previous performance, and everything is auto-driven, and they are also done through the number crunching and few algo layers. And the most important part for us is expense ratio. So whatever funds we select, we ensure that the expense ratio of that fund and scheme should be lesser than the average of that category. So that is our primary focus, so that if we go with the less expense ratio, the maximization of return would be more possible in longer run. So once I click on next, you need to simply put your SIP here, amount, whatever SIP you want to do, and then just click here, and you will get the final list of funds and the percentage allocations. Once you click on start SIP, you will be directed, you will get a detailed mail with the schemes what you have suggested. So either you can execute on the Modern Algos platform, or if you have your existing financial advisor or existing broker where you are doing your SIP, you can simply notify them and they can start SIP for you. And whenever there's a change in the plan, you will be getting a switch mail with which you can again change your invest into different portfolios. So by which you will always be invested in the best performing scheme so that you will be able to maximize your returns. So now I'll go to the second portion of our webinar, which is a trader section, wherein there'll be a few set of retailers or few set of retail investors who want to take position on intraday basis, and they want to close all intraday basis. So if you click on intraday picks, we have categorized different options here. We have index, we have equity, futures, options, and commodities. So I'll just cover the futures part here. So today we had only one signal in futures, so it will get listed here. And to trade, you can simply click trade here. The the order page will open, and then simply you can place your order with the fires. And then if you want to, let's say you have uh, reviewed the performance and you have reviewed all the signals which are coming here for a period of a week and 10 days time, and now you want that whatever signals come here should be traded automatically. So you can simply click on trade all signals. This you have to do once before the market open. And then once you save the trade all button, whatever signals will come here will get auto traded at your broking platform. And we have given the historical performance for last 1 month, and I can just showcase that to you 1 second. And these are actual trades. These are not paper trades. So this is last 1 month performance of our future section. So we had around 41 signals, and out of 41, 33 was positively closed, and we had 7 negative trades. Overall,
Sanjay, your screen is not visible to us.
Not visible?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second.
Can you share once again? Yeah.
Is it visible now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is last 1 month performance, wherein we had 40 signals, and out of 40, 33 closed positive and 7 closed negative. Overall PL of last 1 month was 155,360. And likewise, you can go and check for all the options. We have given the historical performance button here, with which you can go and check the performance, and we are giving you the manual trading option and auto trade option for all the signals. Now I'll go to scanners. This is one of the unique placement what we have, because here you will get all the market scanning on a single page. So what we have done here, the normally market may be driven, or market may have 4 dimensions, like either market will give a breakout, or market would be in the momentum, or the market or a stock would be reverting towards its mean, or we may witness the trend reversal. So I personally do not see anything beyond these 4 dimensions. So what we're doing here, that we are bringing everything for you on a single page. So we are listing down that where the bullish breakout is happening today. So it will scan for you every 10 minutes, and once a breakout is registered based on our proprietary models, it will be listed over here. Excuse me. So here we are listing riders, draggers. Draggers means where we have the bearish trend developed today, and swingers means where we have the swing breakout. So it is not just Gann swing here. To top of Gann swing, we have added few more layers, because normally what happens in the Gann swing, that when we have a consolidation phase, we have so many whip shows, and we have a swing high breakout, and next day again it goes inside the swing zone. So what we have done, we added few more layers so that we can just override those whip shows, and whatever we show here will actually have a trend towards that particular direction. And then we have listed toppers and flunkers. So toppers and flunkers, basically 52-week high, but we're just not doing based on the price, but we are also doing based on the volume and the volatility. So if all 3 conditions are matched, then that particular stock will be listed here. So here we're doing NSE 500, and for rider, draggers, and swingers, we are doing NFO stock. So let's say, how do I use this scanner point of view? Let's say Bharti Airtel got filtered at 541 or 542. And I personally feel as a chartist or as a my own analysis, I think the Bharti is going to go up, but I do not wish to build a naked position over here, and I do not want to take a position in future. So what you can do, you can use this scanner. You can go to strategy builder. This is one page strategy builder where you can develop your strategy. So hit the reset button. I say I want to do, so Bharti Airtel right now is 542. Let's say I think, and in the modern algo scan also it is showing bullish trend. So I like to develop a bull call spread. So let's say I buy at the money call option, and I say I want to create a sell position. So I say 560. I go and I sell a call option, and I hit on the analyze button. Once I do that, I can see the range of Bharti Airtel within 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, which is very important for an option trader to understand what the range it is going to have. So I can see where my strike price should be. So right now you can see we have given 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation shaded areas here, and you also have on target and on expiry date profit and loss, which you can see at the different equity price. And we have given the investment amount what you require for the hedge benefit. So for this, you should have your hedge benefit enabled with the broker, so that once you take this position, your investment amount will be very limited to 35,000. Or if you just send the sell order, the margin requirement, everything that you need to take care. And here we are showing the max profit and max loss and risk reward. So let's say you are okay with this risk reward, or you want to check any other strike. So you can simply go and you say, okay, I want risk reward beyond 2 times. So you can click analyze. So if I go lesser price, it is giving me lesser risk reward. So I'll just try with different strike options. So that would help you to analyze which strike you should get into, and when you get into, whether you are in between the 1 and 2 standard deviation or not. And then if you want to change the expiry time frame, because theta would play an important role for a directional trade, that also you can do depending upon the slide bar at the bottom. Now let's say you're okay with everything, and you just want to have a check whether if the volatility goes up from 25.46 to 30, then what happens. So once you input that, all the numbers will change. You can simply hit the analyze button. It'll again tell you if the volatility is increasing, then the directional position or bull call spread will have more risk reward ratio. Because if IV is going up, we will have faster delta movement, and then that will help you to get maximum return. So let's say I say, okay, this is fine. Now I want to trade. So when you want to trade, we have two different options. Either you can place a manual order to your broking platform, or what you can do, you can click on the auto trade button. Right now, if you click on auto trade button, 11,458 what you are going to pay as the premium, but you do not want to pay that much of premium. So you say, I want to pay 10,000 premium, and if I get 6,000 profit, I want to out of the position, and I would like to take only 2,000 as a loss or as a risk to this trade, and click on start trade. Once you do that, your strategy would be saved, and you can go to trader dashboard. Your strategy will be saved in auto strategy page. Here you have different options. You can stop your strategy from here, you can modify, you can restart, and you can square off from here. So for strategy viewing purpose also, you don't need to go to the broking platform. From the trader dashboard, you will be able to view your auto strategy, and you can also be able to view a net position, equity futures, options. Everything is integrated with the broking platform. So once a trade happens, we read the broker API, order API, and we show all your profit or loss or your positions here. And your entire order book can also be visible from here. So this we call every 30 seconds the broker order API, and we display all the data here directly. So this is one of the use what you can do with the help of scanners, and other things can also be done. So let's say few of the clients, what they do, if we have a particular stock which is getting filtered out in the rider and it's also getting filtered out in movers, then it has higher probability that it's going to be a success in coming days. So I'll just showcase the riders which came on this Monday. So on this Monday, we had, one second, it's opening. We had around 6 or 7 different riders. And if you see, if you just simply buy those riders, and by Thursday, these were the statuses. So ACC came by Thursday closing, it was up by 2%, Ambuja up by almost 4%. So out of 7 or 8, 2 were negative, rest all were positive. So this will be helpful for a positional trader. It would be also helpful for an option trader. If you want to build any directional trade, if you want to build any directional strategy in options. So now I'll just go back and I'll just simply cover on the last section of Trader, that is alert. So in alerts, what we have done, so if let's say you are not in front of the market and you want to just put certain criteria here. So we have given 5 different options here. So you can simply put it up and then you can create your alerts. Once your alert is triggered, you will be notified and you have a trade button here. From directly here, you can trade into the market. So if you click on trade button, the order or something is not going on. I think something, it was, yeah, now it is opening. So here, if you see that the order page will open up and you can simply enter the price or quantity and it will go to the broking platform. So this is just an add-on feature which will help you to, um, if you are not in the market, you are away from the market, will keep you looped to the market. Now, most importantly, I have already covered the strategy builder, what you can do through the strategy builder and how you can automate your trade, or you can do the manual placement after analyzing a strategy. And we have also created few market neutral strategies like butterfly and condor. So if you click on condor, so this is a market neutral strategy wherein our system will automatically filter where the condor opportunities are there. It's a 4-leg strategy, which you guys are aware. So wherever there is a possibility in the different strike prices for index will be listed over here. And for the stocks also, we are listing directly here. So now let's say you have a condor strategy scanned for you and you want to analyze. So you can simply click on analyze button, then the 4-leg strategy with all the breakdown and break up with the max loss, max profit will be displayed here. You can analyze your strategy and the same flow you have to take for either automate this trade or do the manual process. Same way we have butterfly for index and stocks. So in index, we don't have an opportunity. And for stocks, we have opportunities in Bicon, Jubilee Fold, and Chola Finance. So this is automated scanner, which will help you to gauge the opportunity in the market. And if you like to take that opportunity and trade, so for that, you don't need to toggle. You can trade, simply click on trade button. Once you click on a trade button, the trade would happen. And for tracking purpose, you can simply go to trader dashboard and you can view your net positions, your PL, everything here. And if you want to square off the positions from here, that also you can simply do from the net position. So it will allow you to do everything at a single platform, and you don't need to toggle out between different screens. Like you don't need to log into the broking platform and then check positions over there and take the advice from the other platform and then execute with the broking platform. And then we have strategy algorithm. So what we have done here, we have designed and we are integrating more than 14 strategies here. Right now, 3 are live. So what we do here is, if you have a target in your mind or based on analysis, you think the Nifty is going to touch 16,200 in this expiry. So you can simply write 16,200. Once you hit the submit button, the system would tell you where you have the opportunities, which combination you can make. And right now we are working on one particular layer which we are going to apply to these pairs very soon by end of July, so that you will get the pairs on top of it where you have most of the liquidity, where you have most of traction, and you have enough liquidity so that you will be able to trade those things. So that is a new feature which we are going to launch very soon. So this is pretty much about the options. And for a trader who wants to trade in options but doesn't have that mindset or may not have that much of time to come himself, analyze and trade, for that we have strategy picks. So they are designed based on our systems. So basic logic behind designing the strategy picks is support resistance analysis, and we find the directional momentum in a particular stock, and we do a bull call and bear put spread only into the strategy pick. So because if we do the directional move, even if we have the high volatility, if the direction do not favor us, there are still chances that we end up earning something into the strategy. So that's the reason we are giving bull call and bear put spread here. So if you want to see, there will be few opportunities with missed meaning basically we have certain rules that if the equity price where we entered has moved -1 or +1, then we say 1%, I mean, then we say entry missed. And good to enter means the target, the strategy is still within the range and you can enter into the strategy. So once you click on that, you can see all the details here, and then you see the payoff chart. You can simply click on the trade button, and then you can hit to the broker platform, and then you can track it from the trader dashboard. So this is for the clients who do not have time to come to the platform, analyze the strategy, but still want to do option trading because the capital required would be less in the hedge strategy. And I'll just quickly show what is last week performance for strategy picks. So last week we had, let me just open it in the full page so that it will be easy for everyone to see. So I'll just go through one by one. First, I'll cover the strategy picks. So in strategy picks, we had around 10 calls, which we are also listing date wise here, when they came in this week and their statuses and their actual profit and loss until yesterday close. And intraday picks, the last 1 week performance for index, it was 1837. For equity we are doing for investment of 2 lakh rupees, and if somebody wants to do lesser than that or more than that, he has to simply enter the value, what value he wants to trade. So I'll just show that option to you here. If you click on trade all signals, you will be asked to enter your per trade amount, which you can enter. And for that amount, all your trades will go to the market. So this is about the equity and future performance. And for the equity baskets, see in the equity basket, you see we have 13 baskets. Out of 13 baskets, almost 80% baskets are outperforming the market. So what I normally tell my clients, that if you are not acquainted well enough with the futures and options, there is no problem, because you can simply also take an use of algo driven basket. When let's say if you have invested in robotic baskets on this Monday, you would have earned 6.39%. This is only a weekly performance, and this is a real-time performance, not a paper trading. So let's say you can take 2 or 3 baskets. So once you get a particular amount of return, you can simply exit those baskets and enter into new baskets. So if you don't want to go into derivative and you still want to be in a short time frame, don't want to invest for a longer time period, then also modern algos baskets would help you to generate returns. So I think I have covered pretty much everything. So Shubhamji, I think we should uh, take few questions if we have.
Sure, Sanjay, we'll do
Any
that.
questions?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a second. So Uzefa will go and read the questions, and I would love to answer those.
Thank you for that detailed session, Mr. Sanjay. It was super helpful and very informative. As you were explaining overall the platform and the way it works, there were a few questions coming in. And here I'm going to read those out and we will attempt to address the most important questions. The first question is, how are these signals generated? Over to you.
These signals are generated based on technical sentiment and quant layer. So what we do first, we try to find out a sentiment, like how the crowd or how the concentration is there in that particular stock. And I do it for a 15 minutes time frame. So most of the times a trade would be open for 2 to 3 hours. And you come to the market, you take a trade, and within 2 to 3 hours, either you'll get your target or you'll be out of the market. And once we do the sentiment analysis, we use technical analysis for entry point. For, let's say, I see whether for any mean reverting call, what we normally see that if the prices have gone up, let's say above the resistance. So resistance formation we do, that is proprietary. I'll just give you a feel. Let's say last day the total moment of high low was 10 rupees. So normally for me, a resistance, because I'm a fan of wave principle. So normally what I do, I just try to get an extension of 1.618% to that 10 rupees, and I mark that as resistance. So first I would see that the prices are penetrating, prices are going above that resistance or not. If the prices have crossed that resistance and they're trying to revert, and normally what happens, the prices will go to the mean. So there we go and generate a sell signal. We take a help of moving average to find out whether the moving average is supporting us, and then we go into sell position. And for the quant, for the money management, we totally go to the statistics. We use the standard deviation to manage our stop loss and target. So that is like brief about what we do and how we generate the signals in intraday peaks.
Thank you, Sanjay Bhai. The next question for you, Mr. Sanjay, is are the returns on paper trading or real life returns?
These are real returns, and these are not paper returns. I can simply showcase my backend to you guys. I'll just show one of the example. I'm not able to go to Chrome.
Just press escape, you will be.
It's not working. I'm trying that only. Let me open another browser here, not an issue. So I'll show you this is my backend URL for all the equity investment I have. And I just quickly show my father investment so that, so if you see here, on 20th April, he has invested 10 lakh rupees in dividend and basket. And right now he's getting 20.46% return. So this is actual return. So whatever we are talking here, whatever we are showing on the platform, they are all live returns because the portfolio went live on 21st July. So all the returns after that are live returns. And whatever we're showing in intraday picks, they are also live returns. So whatever we list in the historical performance, we list based on the bid and ask. We don't list simply on the LTP. So 90% of the time you should be able to match that return, because there's something which we cannot help, that is impact cost. So let's say if you get a call at 1,000 rupees, like we cannot assure that all the trades will happen at 1,000 rupees. So that impact cost of 0.5% we have to factor in. So that's the reason whatever we show here, 90% profit should match.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay. Another question that we had was, what about risk management and position sizing as per total capital?
So that's the reason for the equity part. We are asking client to input his amount. Based on that amount, the order will go. And for the future side, we are giving one lot for all the trades, and it is very subjective to person, but normally as per the standards, if you, let's say, have 100 rupees, so per position you should not risk more than 2 to 3 rupees, so at least you get 50 chances in the market. And if you follow a system, if you follow a model which is like not human driven, then definitely you're going to earn money on that. So if you have 50 chances in the market and you have 65 to 70% accuracy of a system, definitely you'll end up making money. So very precisely what we do here, we ask the client to input his amount. So he will have to assess his risk appetite, and for the futures and other things, we are, whatever we are displaying here, we're displaying for one particular lot.
Sanjay, I can see one question has been asked repeatedly, that how to subscribe to Modern Algos platform, and is there any benefit to Fire's client, any subscription fee or any discount, something to the Fire's client?
Yeah, subscription is pretty much simple. You can just go to subscription page, and we have monthly and annual subscription here. And you can simply click on monthly, and we will issue a specific coupon code to Fire's clients, which will share with the Fire's team, and then they can circulate to the clients. So once they enter that coupon code, the discount will be applied.
Or users will get to their inboxes and they can use that same coupon code to next purchase or something.
Yes, they can do that. That coupon code would be specifically only for the Fire's client. So if they log in through the Fire's credential, then only that coupon will be valid. Did I answer the question, Shubhamji?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Uzefa.
There is one question here which is also standing out. Signals will go wrong based on the news. Is that correct?
See, absolutely correct. But what we do here, for us, the price is the goal. So whatever we do, we just look at the price. We do all analysis based on price. So any news, any outcome, any management commentary will immediately have impact on price. So for us, price is the goal. So that's the reason all our signals, everything has a defined target and defined stop loss. So it can be also favorable to us that we are entering into a sell call based on sentiment. Sentiment will always lead you to the particular moment. And then if the negative news flow comes, then we can easily get profit out of it. So it's both ways. But what you said is absolutely correct. The news and the information will definitely play an important role for any stock, for any market. But to overcome from that, you probably have to have a proper stop loss and target management. That is called money management.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay. The next question is, in basket changes, my shares based on algo every day, won't be there charges and brokerages?
Please read out again.
In basket changes, my shares based on algos every day, won't there be charges and brokerages?
No. Actually, what I was meaning by that our portfolios are reviewed on day-to-day basis. Once your portfolio is created, all right, we will do rebalancing only after 3, 6, or 1 year, whatever option you select. But what we're trying to say that we are analyzing, we are reviewing all the basket on day-to-day basis. So if there is any change, we will intimate you. If you wish to take a step on that, if you want to take any action on that, you can do that. So for just to give an example, let's say I have a particular stock, and normally in my portfolio, the last filter what we apply is risk adjusted returns. So how it works, I see the percentage change in price over a period of 252 days and 252 days standard deviation. So I combine both of them. So let's say the average percentage change of last 252 days is let's say 4%. So suddenly if that stock goes down by 15% on one particular day, then there is something which is happening in that stock. So that time my system will check whether the fundamentals, whether any news flow, any data change on the financial side. If not, the stocks will continue. If yes, then we will say that this stock is moving out of the portfolio and we are adding this stock. But rebalancing will not happen. Rebalancing will be up to the client. It is only for your information so that you'll be able to take action very fast. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay. There's another question. If all equity calls generated need to be traded, should the quantity be fixed or the amount?
See, quantity cannot be fixed, because if I fix the quantity, what will happen? The value will not be fixed. So right now you have to fix the value. Okay, for a 2000 rupees stock, if I say the quantity is 100 shares, then the value what you require is 2 lakh rupees. And for 100 rupees, you require 10,000 rupees. So it is advisable that whatever you do should be on the value based on the value and the stock price. You should get your quantity, not the value by the by prefixing your quantity of a stock, because the price of the stock will vary. So value has to be consistent so that your returns will always be on your capital. Let's say you have 5 lakh of rupees, and in equity market, if you have 5 lakh rupees with the peak margin rules and everything, per trade you can take for 2.5 lakh rupees, because in my system maximum 10 calls can come a day. So if all 10 calls come in a day and you should be able to trade, that means if you trade half of your capital in your broking account, so 2.5 lakh rupees into 10 times, that will be 25 lakh rupees. And then the upfront margin is 20%. So that would come to 5 lakh rupees, so that you do not fall into the peak margin criteria. Point number one. Point number two, you should always trade based on the value, because the return analysis we will do on the value, not on the quantity. So that's the reason our models are fixed on the value, not on the quantity.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay. There is a repetitive, recurring question that a lot of people are asking, which is that, just a moment. Yes, the question is, if we haven't attended the entire webinar, can we see a recording of it somewhere? And that's with regard to accessing this information. The other is, can we create our own strategy and deploy? Rather than creating and testing, we can create it here and deploy. Stock mock.
See, what you can do here in the strategy builder, you can create your strategy, you can create multiple strategy, you can put your auto trade parameter, and you can save them. So if any of your strategy is not traded in the market, what you need to do before tomorrow market opens, you have to log in once you log in, just start the strategy. Once the market starts, it will redo it will do all the calculation, and whenever your conditions are met, it will trade into the market. So to answer your question, you can create your own strategy coming to option strategy builder. But if you are asking a question that you want to build a strategy and then deploy to the fires, that modern algos do not support. If you are meaning that you will input your own criteria, you will input your parameters, indicators, and based on that the recommendation should be generated and then it should be traded, for that modern algos does not support. But for option side, strategy side, you can add your strategy, multiple strategy, and every day, but before the market opens, you just need to log into the platform.
Sanjay, What are the benefits of, I mean, what they can use, see the features in trial account?
They
Is
can
it,
see all the options in a trial account.
but there will be only, they will not be able to trade that, right? In
They can
Fires
also
account.
they can also trade. I don't have any restrictions. Only restriction that in equity baskets I will not show the stock weightages, but for the
Mhm.
trader section, for the option section, they can use all the features and they can also trade with Fires.
Yeah,
Because
that's good actually.
because in the free trial, if they are not able to experience whether the trades are happening seamlessly at Fires or not, then is of no use, right?
Mhm.
So, but only one thing what we have been experiencing, like for the hedge benefits, there are certain criteria which they have to first inform to the Fires team. That is what we are experiencing based on few of the Fires clients what they have wrote to us. So once their hedge benefit is enabled, then our system will take care for the trades.
Actually, hedge benefit is enabled for all the clients last week itself.
Mhm.
And with regards to the option, I mean, hedge benefit, you need to first place a buy order and then sell order. And in that, you need to give a delay of a second or so. And then,
Okay.
yeah,
So first the buy order has to go, then the sell order should go.
yes,
So
yes.
that we will manage at our side. Okay.
Yeah.
And one
And
more,
another
yeah,
question is
yeah.
how to contact, or in case of any support, how you guys are ready there to help the clients or
And we
users?
have a support desk, and that support desk number is also displayed at the bottom of the page. You can contact us on that number if you have a specific query, and you can write us on info@modernalgos.com, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible.
Yes, guys. So Modern Algo platform is free to access to the Fires clients. They can explore the features. They can trade from it. And as Sanjay said, there will be a few restrictions that will be proprietary, or let's say subscription based.
That is only for the equity baskets. Rest everything is open for the client.
Yes. So we can say it's a pretty much free to the clients.
Yeah, and for your understanding purpose, if you want to go back and read anything or understand anything, we have a tutorials where we have covered all the products. You can simply see 15 minutes, 20 minutes of tutorial and you get all the details what you want to have. Here we have tutorial videos link on the top.
So guys, you don't have to subscribe to the platform like putting your username and password. There is a one-click option, or you just need to click on the Fires logo if possible. Yeah, Sanjay is showing us that. And those who are asking about the recordings, yes, recording will be uploaded on Fires YouTube channel, and we'll share it to you guys, or you can check it out over the weekend.
And for the sign in, you don't need to do any registration. Just click on Fires and log in through the Fires credentials. Your account will be set in the backend, and you will
Yes.
be able to access all the products using your Fires credentials. You don't need to create any other different user ID here.
So I'll just put the link of the platform in the chat so you guys can explore that as well. And if you are already logged in into your system, so you don't have to put that ID password again, you'll be directly asking for the permission of the platform to use.
Um, there few people are asking me when you can get the coupon code. So I will share it with the Shubham and team by end of this day. And Shubham ji, can you just circulate to your clients that coupon code?
Actually, coupon will be Fires only.
Mhm.
So once that will be, I mean,
Okay, I'll
incorporate.
we'll take it offline, and
Yeah.
then we'll see what we need to do so that it will reach to the clients by end of the day.
Or else, Sanjayji, we can do one thing. Those who have just now, I got one query here that he has been on a payment page or something, and there is no the coupon option is coming out. So those who have subscribed, so they will get a coupon and they can use it in the next purchase or something. Can we do that as well?
Yeah, we can do that. No issue.
Yeah.
Just that client needs to write it to me on info@modernalgos.com, and my team will take care.
Yes.
So do we have any other question? All right, Uzefa.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in and allowing us to be a part of 1 hour of your day and talking about how you can easily invest, trade, track your wealth in order to grow it very, very easily. As you've seen, the platform is very, very simply designed. It's carefully designed to ensure that it is user friendly and the interface and overall experience is very seamless. A few of you have asked if there is any API integration, etc., required. Absolutely not. As you heard from Shubhamji and Mr. Sanjay, all you need to do is go onto the Modern Algos platform on www.modernalgos.com and using your coupon code and your broker, which is FIRES, you can log in with just a single click. You have 5 days of free subscription where you can explore every single feature that the platform has to offer and then decide if you'd like to get on board for a longer duration of time. And that's something we really, really look forward to more than anything else today. Additionally, for all the questions that you've posted, I know for paucity of time, we haven't been able to address and answer all the questions. However, all of the questions that you've posted, we will do our best to answer them within the next 48 hours. So since it's the weekend right now, maybe you can expect the answers from us by Monday or Tuesday for all the questions you've posted. So rest assured that you will hear back from us. And in conclusion, once again, I'd like to thank all of you for tuning in and the FIRES team for enabling this interaction and for your belief in us. Thank you all. Thank you, Mr. Sanjay. And you all have a great weekend ahead.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
all.
Shubhamji.
Thank
Thanks
you.
you. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Have a great weekend.
Yeah, all of us, please have a great weekend.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.